Hello friends, let's catch up. So it's not Thursday, obviously. Oh my god. What a beauty. Is she gorgeous? Or he? Okay, yeah, he can read your mind. Alright. Here's Saturday. The weekends. Oh, thank God. Look at him. Look at that tail. Okay. And the quote is this. Oh my god. Oh my god. There. Okay. I agree with that. Alright, and here's today. Wait, yeah. Oh no, this isn't today. Okay. Oh, there's this cutie. I love him. He's so cute, honestly. Oh my god, not again. Okay, where we left off. So I just gotta say, I do love this cutie. Those ears, it's gotta be a fold, man. It's gotta be a fold. A cat lover is called an ailurophile. I can't say it, but y'all can spell it. And this is today's cat. Oh shit, look how pretty she is. Or he. Is she adorable? And here's the quote. The quotes are being in trouble today, guys. Oh my. Okay, yes. That sounds cute. Oh, precious. Alright. I'll continue tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoyed all these kittens. All of them. And you're a wonderful person. See you.